Hello everyone, welcome to the ITLS Academy. Today we are going to perform another experiment, that is your detection of dry tendrils of maize cob in saffron. Okay, here the saffron is a sample and the dry tendrils of the maize is what? It is a adulterant. Now, what is this adulterant means? Okay, what is the adulteration? What is the adulterants? Adulterants is simply a substance which are either added into the food product or either eliminate the good quality of the food product, and ultimately it will affect the health of the human being, and the due to the addition of this adulterant, the cost of the product decreases. This is called a adulterant, and the whole process is known as a adulteration. Now, why this dry tendrils of the maize are added into the saffron? We all know that this saffron is very costly. Okay, so for reducing the cost of the that saffron, the they added the tendrils of the maize into the saffron. When they are added the tendrils into the saffron, the quantity of the saffron increases, but the quality that we get from the pure saffron are decreases. So that's why it is very important to detect that saffron, to detect the pure saffron, because it is very difficult to differentiate that saffron is either pure or either it is adulterated with this maize tendrils by only watching it. Now this saffron, we all know that the saffron are very costly. On this tendrils, maize tendrils, what they do, they eliminate the pure saffron, and at the place of the pure saffron, they mix that dry maize tendrils. Okay, so for performing this experiment, we required a hot water, and the temperature of this hot water are at the range of 70 to 80 degree Celsius, and we required a saffron. Now what we have to do, we take a few strand of this saffron and it will be added into the hot water. If it is pure, then it gives a saffron color so long, okay, and it lasted so long. Okay, if it is not pure, then it will not give that color. Even the pure saffron does not break easily. Now I am going to show you. I am taking a one strand of the saffron. Now see that it takes long time for breaking it. Now I am going to take a 10 ml of this hot water whose temperature is 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. Now let's see, by adding the saffron into it. Now let's see it gives the saffron color or not. If it is not give the saffron color, then it means that it is adulterant. See, when I mix this, it give a saffron color. Now this saffron color are persist so long, which means that our saffron are not adulterant with the dry maize tendrils. So this is all about the detection of the dry maize tendrils into the Saffron. I hope you will understand, but if you have any query related to this experiment, you can freely to ask me in a comment box, or for a further detail, you can follow the ITLS Academy on different platforms, that is your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp and LinkedIn, and subscribe our channel ITLS Academy on YouTube and get our app from a Google Play. You can also visit our website, that is your www.itlsacademy.com. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.